Hi, good evening, friends. My name is Lucky Son here, and today I'm going to discuss about my key learning from my college life. You will identify how exactly my life has been changed from the school life to the college life. How exactly I was a very reserved person. I was not enjoying a lot. I was just thinking about the study. I was just focusing about the percentage and scores and being a topper as part of my school. But as part of my college, I was a totally different person. I was not bothering about the percentage. I just would like to be pass. I want to enjoy my life. I have identified the real meaning of friendship and how exactly who will be your real friend, who will help you out. uh, I identify the real struggle, like we was following some specific book as part of your school days, but we have seen the couple of books we need to read as part of our single subject in the college life. So how exactly I overcame from that, you will get to know about all this stuff. So yeah, first of all, I would like to talk about something related to academics. So that is the thing which has been changed drastically as part of my college life. Like in key, I was failed in one of my subject, which was microprocessor. So for that particular subject, I have not did the study for the entire year, but I was not liking that subject, and I simply have not did any study for my entire semester, and I got failed. So even I got failed, I got disappointed, but still I have not lost the hope. Okay, I learned in a more better way, and then after I scored too good in that particular subject, so I learned from my failure first of all. Now come to the fun factor. Okay, in case of fun factor, yeah, guys. So I was talking about the fun factor. So like, I enjoyed a lot. I was not going outside with my friends in case of school life, but was I was exploring lots of stuff as part of my college life. I went for movies. I went for trips. As part of trips, we have identified lots of issues, and when we have find out how to overcome come from those particular issues. So yeah, that things you will learn as part of your college life only. Okay, we did lots of funny things, like I get to know about one of my friend who liking one girl. So हम लोगों ने उसको चने की झाड़ पे चढ़ा दिया, तो बेचारे he proposed one girl, and finally he got scolded a lot from his family. So this thing was happened, but you may identify, like I was a serious in my school days, but I become very jolly person, open minded person as part of my college life. Even I can say my college life was divided into two parts. One is graduation, another is my post graduation. So as part of my graduation, means I was more focused about, okay, how exactly you can work on real time problems, and I work in a real time projects. I have gone through some trainings as part of my final year project. So anyhow, my BCA was done. Okay, I learned a lot of things from my BCA, and I have also identified some of my friends who was not really focusing about the percentage. Okay, they was just focusing on the learning some specific programming skills which they can use as part of their life, or they was learning how exactly we can get a more better college as part of your their post graduation, or we can say the master degree. Okay, so means we was the person who may not be appear as part of our school days, and simply we came to the graduation, but later point of time we identify, okay, no, the graduation we have did not up to the mark, and we need to push ourselves more for the better college, and possibly from the better college you can get a better placement. So that's why we did a lot. Even in case of me, I also did the same thing. Okay, I pushed myself and learned a lot, and even I got selected for top 10 universities. That was Pondicherry University. At that Pondicherry University, I completed my masters. As part of Pondicherry, you may not believe that some of the semesters I was not studying about my subjects of that specific semester. I was just focusing on C, C++, this Yaswant Kaneka kind of book was coming. I was completing that book most of times by reading it for the entire nights. I was more focused about my real skills, my real life problem solving approaches, and how exactly I can crack the interviews. Okay, how exactly I can enter into the companies. Okay, but yeah, you also will deal with the different kind of cultures as part of the state you will change. You will really learn about it a lot. Okay, you have to learn from your failures. You will find out some new dimensions. Okay, what is the overall summary or key learnings as part of my college days? I can simply say I was not the same person which I was in a school days. I become a jolly person. I become more realistic. I become more what to say, the person who bother about the real time problem solving approach, who bother about the real skills, who would like to be the successful, not in terms of scores or not in terms of percentage, who would like to be really capable enough in terms of what to say, the skills. Okay, yeah, so those things was there, and you also identify what exactly things we need to focus and how exactly we need to focus. You really need to learn the fun factor in your life. You have to identify which thing is really giving you the happiness. Okay, and you have to find out some fun factor, how exactly you can map your happiness in terms of learning as well. So I hope guys you can interrelate my key learnings as part of my college days, and how exactly I become the different person, and even I improved myself a lot from school days to college days, and my perception has been changed drastically. Definitely I will let you know about my professional life, how exactly I have also applied my, I also got some new learning from my professional life. We will keep you posted about it. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Bye bye.